Everybody needs to like this video right now because if we hit 100,000 likes, I'll be giving one lucky subscriber a free pair of new AIRPOD Pros. So make sure you go like and subscribe. This is the video game Rocket League in real life. It's soccer, but only with cars. It's very interesting and amazing that people can actually do this. Here's another amazing game of soccer. These are goldfish playing soccer in an aquarium. This man is so good at dancing that these people think he's fake. This is how a fox goes for his prey underground. This is how difficult it is to drive a Tesla car. Plus, you have the satisfaction of saving the environment by using less CO2. This man is a professional painter and doesn't even need tape to paint within the lines. Make sure you like and subscribe for more content.